What we're going to do today is just go through Keylight, how to get rid of the green screen backgrounds to put you into the scene that you want. First of all, you're going to go File, Import, find your file, click in here, import into your scene. Your file is in here. Once it is, just drop it down into the timeline. Who's that clicking now? Next, what we're going to do is on the right hand side, we're going to go down to Effects and Presets and click on that. Highlight this and type in the word key with an L. So Keylight, so there's two Keylights. Make sure that you're grabbing the keying one from keying where you're removing something. So you're going to click on Keylight 2, you're just going to drop it in here or drop it onto the scene or in here, whichever way you feel comfortable. There's more than one way. Once you apply the effect, it's going to show up here. What we want to do is, depending if you have other layers, so we're just going to solo that layer in case you have other layers, otherwise things are going to not show up. Next, we're going to grab the eyedropper tool under screen color. We're going to get close to our skin. We're going to hold the control key, just it's going to grab more pixels around that edge. Once we click, we will see here. So you can see that right now it's not too bad, it kind of looks okay. So what we're going to do is under view where it says final result, we're going to click, we're going to go to screen matte. And screen matte, you'll see we have white, and then we have some areas here of gray and black. Our goal is to get a clean matte here. We want to have just total black and total white. So once you have that, you're going to go to screen matte. You're going to go to clip black and clip white, and you're going to bring, I'm just bringing my clip black just so that everything's nice and black. Now you'll see I have a couple of lines in there, and I will go with my clip white and I'll drop that down to a mark there where it gets rid of my lines. Okay, so now that I have my matte, I can go back here to the top, go back to my final result. You'll see it'll be a little bit cleaner. So that's how you get rid of the green. So now if we were to bring in a background, such as one of the ones that we had picked up, we can just drop the, take it here, click and hold to make sure it goes below my screen. There is my image. I can make it a little bit bigger. So now I can even move my body over if I need to. I can rescale, and that is it.